often think about how it's really about creating space for myself as a Black person, but also for myself in community and for that community to operate in. It's been a really important component of my work. I work a lot with sound and sculpture, as well as some performance art, and increasingly my work is kind of engages a community component as well. Concordia and Montreal have been really important to Black activism in Canada, and in fact in North America. And that fact has gone unacknowledged. I really knew very little about that when I went to Concordia. And so bringing that to the fore seems extremely important. Black folks, we often get pigeonholed like we're supposed to kind of be a certain way in the world. We are all kinds of ways in the world. And I think that's going to come out of this project, that there's just this sort of multiplicity of ways of being in the world for Black folks and for all of us, and that that's going to be part of the conversation.